Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Beacons AI digital product tutorials. In it, I'll be showing you how to create and upload your digital product on Beacons AI link in bio, and I'll also be showing you some of the other features that they have that will help you as a content creator to make more sales and also promote your products across different platforms. With Beacons AI, there are numerous features, whether it is their link in bio feature or their email marketing or online store and so much more. I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. And you can sign up for completely free. Once you have tapped on that link and you have signed up using your email address, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And from here, you can tap on Yes, activate my Beacons store. After selecting Yes, activate my Beacons store, you will be redirected to this page and we're just going to tap on Next. After you have tapped on Next, this is how your dashboard looks at the moment. And what I want you to do next, you can either tap on Create a Digital Product right here, or you could go over to the left hand menu option and tap on Store. And after you have tapped on Store, from there you could select New Product. But let's say we were to go back to the home page, I could tap on Create Digital Product. After selecting Create Digital Product, I'm going to tap on Digital Product right there. But you can see that you could also create an appointment page and you can also sell products online, for example, e-commerce. So you could do drop shipping using this platform. Once on this page, this is where you'll be able to edit and upload your digital product. So for example, we will be putting our cover image right here. So you're going to tap on the pencil icon. Then you're going to remove the current image that is there. Then you'll tap on Add Image from the right hand menu option. After doing that, you're going to select Upload an Image. And you can select your image. So for example, I'm uploading an ebook. You want to ensure that the ebook cover is in PNG, or overall the thumbnail cover or page that you're planning to put here is in PNG. Once you have done that, you'll tap on Accept and you can see that I've added the cover. After you have added the cover, you can go back. Then from there, you could put in the product title. So you'll select product title from the top right hand corner. And I'm just going to be calling it ebook. So let me do that real quick. So I'll type in ebook for content creators. Then you'll go back. After you have done that, you can set your price. So you can see the option set price, or you can make them pay what they want, or mark as a sale, or mark product as free. So you could mark the product as free, and then from there you could use it as a lead. So you'll be able to set it up so persons will get this product. Then you can collect their email address, and then you can do email marketing from there if you want. But for this example, I'll simply mark the product at a price. So let's say $25. Then you can select the currency right there. After you have done that, you'll go back. You can tap on description and you could edit the description right here. But I'm just going to leave it as is. Then by scrolling down, you'll see the option product files. You're going to tap right there. And this is where you're going to upload the file that your customers will receive when they complete their purchase. So you're going to tap on upload file and I'm going to be adding the PDF as you can see right here. And you can see that it has been uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, we'll go back and you can see that there are also additional sections that you can add. So you could add an order bump by tapping on order bump right there. And this has boost sales up to 30%. So you could set up an order bump right there and you could recommend other products that persons may be interested in. You can also set up limited product sales, or you can set up their affiliate share. So with this, you'll be able to create an affiliate link for your product or your store that persons can promote it and will be able to get a commission. So you could do that if you want. You can also tap on SEO settings, and if you're on their paid plan, you'll be able to set up your SEO. And there are numerous other features you can get access to by scrolling down. You could toggle on overall ratings. you can also toggle on ask a question, and you can tap on the call to action button, and you could change the call to action button from buy now to something else if you want. So you have all of these editing options. You can also edit the checkout page, so you can see how the checkout page looks at the moment. If it is a case that you would like to add a field, you can tap on add field from the right hand menu option, and you could add any one of these fields right there. And you can also go back, and if we were to scroll down once more, you can edit the success screen. So this is how it looks at the moment. So once someone completes their purchase, they'll be redirected to this page. You can change the message if you want from the right hand column, and you can also tap on the email receipt. So this is the receipt that they'll receive after they have completed their purchase. If you would like to change the message on it, you can do that from the right hand menu option. You can also toggle on request review if you want. Right there, you could toggle that on. Once you're finished, you'll go back, and then from there we can tap on next in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on next, you can see it right there, list your product. And all we're going to be doing now, you can tap on skip for now, or you can tap on store right here, and you can tap list product. We're going to be doing that, and you can see your product has been published. So our product is now live. After you have published your product, it is now time to set up the different payment methods. So you're going to tap on set up below payments. Then from there, you can connect your PayPal account, and you can also connect your Stripe account. So you're going to tap on connect, and I want you to connect both of these options. After you have connected the options, if it is a case that you would like help with generating social posts, you can use their auto generate social posts right there. You can also use their email marketing feature by tapping on generate AI email. And you can go over to the left hand menu option and explore their email marketing platform by selecting email marketing. You could tap on try for free, and you could create an email marketing campaign. And if we were to go back to our store option, you can see right there, there are zero seller fees. So unlike Gumroad and other platforms that charge you a seller fee, if you were to go onto their upgraded plan, and their upgraded plan is quite affordable, you won't have to pay any seller fee or anything like that. And I definitely recommend that you give it a try. And you can use the link in bio, as I said earlier, or the link in description to sign up. And you'll also get a free domain name, and it will remove the Beacons logo, so it will look a lot more professional, and you will also get access to more payment options. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button